Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cook short rib. We're going to take it step by step. It's going to have a sweet, gingery, garlicky star anise sauce that's going to taste beautiful. So thank you very much for watching the videos, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to walk you step by step through how you cook short rib to give you the confidence in the kitchen. Let's cook. We've got these two pieces of short rib and they're from the butcher's. Don't forget to get your meat from the butcher's because it's a lot better quality. It's a good quality meat from the butcher's. That's step one. So the next step is we're going to oil it up and then season it up. And we're going to take it step by step and do a little bit of seasoning, then the oil, then salt and pepper, and really put the flavour into that short rib. And this is going to melt in your mouth. Olive oil in. And then we're going to rub that in. So I've got some extra virgin olive oil there. We've got pepper. Put quite a bit of that on. And then we've got some salt. And we're going to do both sides so it gets that flavour in there. Got some nice salt as well. I'm just going to rub it in. Just get that oil in each side. And rub it all over. And we're going to do a bit more salt each side as well. There we are. So you've got the oil, the salt and every paprika as well. We want to put the paprika on as well. We're going to rub that in as, there we are, lovely bits of meat, seasoned up well. As you can see, they look beautiful. Got that. There we are. Oil hot, and then we're going to seal the short rib in that hot oil. And as you can hear, sealing it, you can hear the sound of it. We're just going to seal that all over so that it seals the flavour in and also seals the meat. You don't want it too high, but just keep it at good level so you can get the meat sealed. Just keep your eyes on it as well. You don't want to walk away from it. If you need to add a little bit more pepper, a little bit more salt, you can add that now. And just keep turning it. Make sure you're turning it. And just keep checking. So you see it's crisping up nicely and it's colouring nice. And then turn it over water, and then we're going to put some stock in there as well. So it's going to be beef stock that we're going to put in. We have got red wine stock as well, but we're going to put the beef stock in first, and then we're going to go in with the red wine later. We also need to put the aromatics in. So we've got some lovely thyme, some fresh thyme. We're going to put that in. Just drop that straight in. And then we've got some rosemary, a little bit more. There we are. Now we've got some star anise, some fresh star anise. We're going to put a couple of cloves of star anise in, just to give that aniseedy flavour. So 1, 2, and also we've got a little bit of fresh garlic and some fresh ginger. So we want to put some fresh garlic in there as well. Peel the garlic and just roughly slice it. We don't want it too garlicky. Just want it so it adds to the flavour a little bit. So we're going to pop that in there. Probably going to do 2 cloves. So it gives it that slight garlic taste, but doesn't overpower the dish. That's what we want. Slight garlic taste, but not overpowering the dish. Cooking's all about balance. I hope you're all having a good day, and I hope you're enjoying the cooking session with me. There's a lot more videos to come. There's a lot more help videos as well. If you're just new to cooking, you're a business person, you're a single mum, you've not got confidence in cooking, all my videos are just here to help you and just to build that confidence up slowly but surely. Then we've just got some nice fresh ginger in there as well. We're going to bring that pan to the boil. So this is the short rib slowly cooking. We're going to turn the heat down slightly, and then it's got all the aromatics in. It's got the thyme, it's got the rosemary, it's got the garlic, it's got the ginger, and it's got a little bit of star anise. This is really going to add to the flavour. We're going to slow cook this until it's tender. So guys, we've got the short rib here. It's been cooking for 3 to 4 hours, and you can tell it's cooked because the bones come straight out, and all you do is just pull it out and then it's cooked perfectly. I'm just cooking the other little bit and then pulling the bone out as well. Also, what we're going to do is we're going to reduce the sauce, and we're going to pass that and make it a really nice red wine and aniseed taste with the star anise, so it's going to be beautiful. and it's got loads of herbs in there. So we've got some lettuce here, which is cos lettuce, and what we're going to do with this is just put a touch of oil on it, like that, and then we're going to put a little bit of salt and pepper on. So salt and pepper all over it. We're going to serve this with the braised rib, salt as well. We're going to put a knob of butter on that. So it's in like a tinfoil parcel. It's a really good way to cook. So we're going to just put a knob of butter on top of there. Let that, and then just wrap it up in a parcel. We're going to pop that in the air fryer. With this rib is some nice new potatoes. So we're just going to put a little bit of oil in, and then we're going to do some salt and pepper as well, and just a bit of fresh thyme in, and mix them round. And then we're also going to pop them in the air fryer or oven. It's completely up to you. So we've got some lovely new potatoes, skin on, and we're just going to give them a little toss like that and that's a herb oil I've got there, my homemade herb oil. So there's a link in the bio on how you make that herb oil. It's really got a lot of fragrance. It's got a little bit of garlic, a little bit of thyme, a little bit of rosemary, and you just leave it marinating for as long as you want, so it gives it that lovely flavour. Nice. What we're going to do is, it's broken down lovely, we're just going to pop it in some tin foil, pop a little bit of butter in it, and then just finishing off the cooking process in the air fryer with a little bit of butter on, and a touch of salt and a touch of pepper. So we're just going to put a knob of butter on there. It's going to take all that flavour on board, the butter, the salt, the pepper. It's going to be beautiful. And then we're going to reduce this liquor down. As you can see, we're going to make it thick, strain it into a lovely rich gravy or jus, and that's going to be full of flavour as well. So we've got this gravy, and we've got herbs in that gravy. We've got carrots, we've got a little bit of onion in, we've got some thyme, we've got some rosemary, we've got some garlic, we've got some ginger. We're going to strain the stock down, and we're going to make it into a nice rich gravy. It's got all that jus, it's got the star anise, it's got the lovely herbs in there. I'm just going to strain it through a sieve, just get all the lumps out, all the veg, all the thyme and rosemary and the onions, can get all them out. Oh, I can smell it's nice and fragrance with the star anise. I can really smell that star anise coming through. There we are. And then we're going to put that back on the stove just to reduce down. So the stock is reducing down lovely, the stock from the rib of beef. What you can do is you can reduce it by half and then thicken it up with a little bit of gravy, or you can reduce it the whole way down and just use the stock. It's really nice. So we're going to put some new potatoes on the plate. Got some nice garlic and rosemary new potatoes, a bit of butter, rosemary and thyme. Just going to pop that on there. Got 2 pieces, nicely seasoned up. Just going to put a little bit of herb oil on that. It's just a garlic. Got 1 piece. There we are. We've got another nice piece as well. You can really smell that aniseedy flavour, aniseed flavour coming through from the star anise. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to nappe a little bit of the sauce on all over the lettuce, all over the potatoes, all over the beef, and just let that sauce soak up that beef. That is beautiful. So that is your rib of beef with cos lettuce and sautéed new potatoes. Try this at home. This is brilliant for Christmas, Mother's Day, any event. It's simple, it's a cheap cut of meat, so try it at home. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.